Today we are going to do lemon juice for EVS activity on the lesson water. For making lemon juice we need lemon, water, glass, sugar and spoons. First we should squeeze the lemon. And pour the water. And put some sugar. For sugar, I using brown sugar because white sugar is not healthy. Mix it nicely. Still the sugar is dissolved. I have some small tiny mint leaves because I like that flavor. These mint leaves are from my garden. Fresh lemon juice is ready. Fresh lemon juice is very yummiest. What are you waiting for? Go make your fresh lemon juice. It's very yummiest. Bye-bye.